In this video, I'm going to talk about keywords everywhere. We're going to talk about the browser and how you can use it through your browser plugin, or I'm going to show you how to use it with make.com, where it can go into your make scenario and grab keywords everywhere data and bring it back into your app. My name is Andy O'Neill, and I help entrepreneurs like you add automation to their business through one-on-one calls and through my online community. I'm here on the Keywords Everywhere website, and this is a plugin extension for your Chrome, Firefox, or Edge browsers. It's a really slick, very useful extension. I've been using it for a handful of years now, and it's very economical compared to some of the other really high-end, expensive tools out there if you're just wanting to do keyword research and get volume and competition and cost per click for those keywords. I'm in my browser here, and I've done a search for HeyGen, and you can see right underneath my search bar, it's kind of small text, but it says volume 450,000, cost per click 0.05, and competition 0.27. And it also gives me a little graph of the trends. That's the main data you're going to get back from Keywords Everywhere. And so you can just do, as you do searches in your browser, it'll tell you the volume for that search. It's also got some really useful panels over here in the right-hand side. The one that I use the most is I will click on this button that says Find Long-Tail Keywords for HeyGen. It launches a new tab and will start running a search for those long-tail keywords. So you can download these and use them for SEO research or blog writing purposes. I use this for writing AI-generated blogs, and it's been a huge help to me as I select what keywords I want to go after. Just a quick note about signing up for Keywords Everywhere. If you go to their pricing page, you'll see these plans, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. But if you're just wanting a plan to try out Keywords Everywhere, scroll down and click on this here, where it says Newbie. Check out our bronze plan, and that will open up a page where you can get the bronze plan for $27 a year, and that includes 100,000 credits. Okay, so I'm here in Make, and I have a Google Sheet with some app names in it that I've scraped from the web. Right here is the HTTP Make a Request module. I'm going to show you how to set this up, and you can use your Keywords Everywhere API key to look up keyword data. So here is the URL you're going to need to use. You can simply just type that into your module right there, and there's nothing dynamic about this URL. It's just that straight URL right there. The method is post, and right here is our authorization. This is where we're going to use that API key that Keywords Everywhere gives you for your browser. So your browser needs an API key to interact with the Keywords Everywhere API to look up that data while you're browsing. We're going to use that same API key here in Make. So you're going to have a header here called authorization. The value is going to be bearer and then your API key after that. Next, we're going to go down here and say accept, and this is going to be application/JSON. I'm also going to set body type raw and do content type JSON here as well. So right down here is our request content data. So we have our data source, and GKP stands for Google Keyword Planner. The country is US, currency is USD, and then my keyword is right here in an array. And then I'm going to say parse response yes. So we're going to save that, and we're going to look at the data we get back from Keywords Everywhere's API. So let's look at this first one here. Now we have a status code 200. 200 means this ran, it worked. We didn't have any problems with our credentials or data, and it came back successfully. I'm going to click on data right here. I'm going to scroll down, and just for housekeeping, you can see that we have I have 96,560 credits remaining on my account. It tells you how long this took, and then file size. But the credits is probably the most important piece of information right here. I'm going to open this data and open this right here. Since we sent one keyword in that array, this is in an array and a collection giving us the data back. All right, so our keyword here was tally add-ons. That was that first one from our Google Sheet. The volume is 10. So this is actually one that I might write a AI SEO article for. The competition 0. And then if we click on cost per click, you can see the cost per click is 0. And then right down here, if you want the trend data, it actually gives you the last 12 months. So this is February 2025, and it got 10 searches. So you can actually download this and graph this in your application if that's what you'd like to do. Just to show you some higher search, I'm going to click right here and click run this module only. And let's type in HeyGen. And we'll get some data back for HeyGen. I want to open up our data. Our data again 200. This was successful. And here's our data here. So volume for just the HeyGen keyword is 40,500. You can see the competition here is 0.25, and that is a percentage, so that's 0.25 out of 1 or 25%. So you can convert that to percentage, which is what I do when I put it into my app or back into my Google Sheet so that I can look at it and say the competition is 25%. And then the cost per click here is 17 cents for HeyGen. Then again, you can also see the trends here and kind of see if there's a change over time, which there is. So that's how you use the Keywords Everywhere API within a Make scenario. Obviously, the next step here is I would go over here to my Google Sheet and I would update that. If you want to see another tutorial on using the Make HTTP module, check out this video. You can also subscribe to my channel here to see future videos. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.